Hello and welcome to this video. We're going to show firsthand how our new L2 LiDAR sensor with the drone can be employed to greatly improve topographical survey techniques for large or small projects. Victoria Air Photos, in partnership with local professional BC land surveyors, are now offering high-quality LiDAR data. We are readily available and anticipate this will greatly improve the quality and speed of many land survey projects for end users looking to increase efficiency. As with any drone operation, having a proper, certified, and experienced pilot is critical for a scan operation to go smoothly and make sure that safety is always maintained as number one. As LiDAR quality is important for our end users, we can follow terrain to get as close to the point of interest as possible and adjust the altitude of our waypoints during the scan mission. The future of land surveying is changing swiftly due to these technological advancements that are increasing at an exponential rate. Thanks for joining us, and please call, email, or visit victoriaairphotos.com for more information on how we can get drones working for you.